Hi, welcome to Gran Canaria Uncovered. Tonight we're in Las Palmas, the capital of Gran Canaria. This is a very special night. It is the Festival of San Juan. This is a mixture of Christian and pagan festival, and it is to celebrate the summer solstice. From this day onwards, the days get shorter, so the Aboriginal people here would build massive fires on the beach to put energy to the sun to make sure it's still shone in the wind. This is a fantastic tradition, and we also have a fantastic party here tonight. Enjoy.
Jana.
You know I like it. Oh man, go back on the ground. We got to get down, 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 down. One more time on the ground. We got to get down, 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 down. Cause what we need is soul power. Yes, we want soul power. We give it soul power. You give it back to me. Soul power. Yes, we listen. Soul power. We got to have it. Soul power. We want soul power. You love me tender, love me slow. If that for me, baby, jump back for more. Love me tender, love me slow. If that for me, baby, jump back for more. Well, tie. Come on, midnight show. Midnight show. Midnight show. I say yeah. I say yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I say yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 'Cause what we need, soul power. What we want, soul power. We give up. 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 Soul power. I gotta get in the bracket. 'Cause you know I like it. Oh man.
So you've all now seen the Festival of San Juan in Las Palmas, the fantastic firework display, the concert, and everybody running to the sea at midnight. We can see now the time is 4:02 in the morning. The temperature is still 23 degrees centigrade down here at the Palmas, and this was a fantastic night. So, from myself, Richard, Will, Deathless, and Julie, I'd like to say good night from the Gran Canaria Uncovered and hope to see you all soon. Ciao.
Tengo que estar decirle lo feliz que me siento de estar esta noche entre tanta gente y tanta buena energía. Aquí que Maya nos escuche y que nos acompañe. Vamos a ver ese pañuelito verde me tiene loco. Gracias, nena. Historias reales.